In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Copilot as an app on Windows using Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll have Copilot just a click away on your taskbar, opening in a main app-like window without all the usual browser tabs and clutter. This is perfect if you use Copilot often and want quick, focused access. First, open Microsoft Edge. In the address bar at the top, type copilot.microsoft.com and press Enter. Wait for the Copilot homepage to load so you know you're on the correct site inside Edge. This process uses a built-in Edge feature, so make sure you're not in another browser. Now look to the top right corner of the Edge window for the three dots, also called the More menu. Click those three dots to open the menu. From here, move your mouse to Apps. A small submenu will appear. Click Install this site as an app. What this does is create a standalone window for Copilot and lets Windows treat it like a separate app, which makes launching it faster and keeps your workspace tidy. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Install. On that same prompt, you may see checkboxes to pin the app to your taskbar or your Start menu. If you want Copilot one click away at all times, check the option to pin it to the taskbar. If you prefer to open it from the Start menu, you can check that option instead. You can also leave both unchecked and decide to pin it later, but choosing them now is the quickest path to easy access. Once you confirm, Copilot will open in its own minimal window, separate from the main Edge browser. That's your new app view. From now on, you can launch Copilot directly from the taskbar icon if you chose to pin it there. It's the same Copilot experience, just streamlined and easier to reach. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Apps option in the menu, double check that you're using Microsoft Edge and that it's up to date. Also, if you pinned Copilot to the taskbar, you can drag the icon left or right to position it exactly where you like for muscle memory access. And that's it. You've installed Copilot as an app using Microsoft Edge, confirmed the install, and pinned it for one-click launching from the taskbar. Enjoy the faster, cleaner workflow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.